Hey guys, welcome to Low Boost Entertainment. My name is Ricardo, and today I want to give you guys an update on the BMW 535 E60. I know it's been a while. It's been quite a few. So in the background, I've been working on the car, get parts, putting it together, having people coming over, helping me out, especially Ricky from RB Racing. He came over, put the engine together, installed the turbo, and we both put the engine in the car. We have Michael. He came over and he did the buffing, show you guys how to buff a car. We have Leo from LST Motorsports. He came over and show you guys how to do the rod bearings. And the Volkswagen guy, he helped me out. He helped me out a lot. He came over as well. He helped me relocate the ABS because that is crazy. So we relocated ABS. What else we did? We did some slight modifications so everything can fit. Intercooler. What else? Some other minor stuff. And he also helped me take the engine out. So yes, Volkswagen guy, he's pretty good. Anyway guys, so let me show you the progress and let's get started. Alright guys, guess who's here again? Ricky's here to help me out on my N54. That's all the stuff we have. We're about to put it in the car. Alright guys, so all day Mr. Bailey been working on this car all day, and so far we put everything together. We put the clutch on, turbo, and we're getting ready to put the transmission on and install it in the car. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. All right.
The next day.
Alright guys, so since we are up to speed now, so basically we got a few things left to get done to the car. We need a full exhaust to be done to the car because right now we just have the downpipe and then that's it. So we need a full exhaust. We need the tune I think we're gonna be using LST Motorsports. He's gonna come over, put the bass tune on there, we're gonna drive it around. And we're gonna drive it around for a while, try to break in the clutch. What else we have to get done? So far we buffed the car, Michael buffed the car from the tutorial that we showed you guys. And the paint on the car can be saved, like the entire car. Just the hood and the top of the car need to be repainted. So I guess we might just wrap those parts. We're not sure yet. We might just paint it and just buff the entire car. Also the trunk, we have carbon fiber trunk on the car, so we need to clean that up. What else we have to get done? The wheels, we already have coilovers. The wheels that you see in the picture, that's what we're going to be using. What else? I can't think of anything else. What's my goal for the car? How about that? What's the goal for my car? The goal for this car, I'm aiming to run, I don't know, 500, maybe 600 max. I'm not really trying to make big power to this car because it's an N54. I know N54 can do a lot, but why? You know, it's a manual car. It's all-wheel drive. We're just gonna enjoy the car for what it is, you know. The car does have import injection on there, so it got 12 injectors. We got the reflex computer on there, so it got some goodies on here, but I'm not aiming to do craziness with it. As far as the low pressure fuel pump, I still need to upgrade the low pressure fuel pump. The low pressure fuel pump on the car right now is factory, so I'm thinking to go either the 2.5 precision low pressure fuel pump or the dual pump, anyone. But like I said guys, I'm not aiming for big power, so we're gonna just keep it nice and neat and just reliable because you got a B58, you got other cars. If you want big power, you get yourself a B58. You get a S50 like a G80 if you want to make big power, or a Volkswagen, you know, one of those big power cars. It's 2026. Don't try to make big power out of an N54. I'm sorry. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And I will definitely show you guys some more updates on this car. So I'll talk to you guys later. And subscribe. Later.